Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify all the parts using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Place the cabinet doors face down on your work surface and apply the included rubber door bumpers. These will help prevent denting the finish when we attach the doors to the face frame and keep the doors flush with the frame. Insert the soft close hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of each door and use your power drill to fasten them with the tapered edge screws. Close the hinges and then carefully lay the face frame on top of the doors with the grooves facing up. The shorter doors will be at the top of the pantry, so it's important that we have the correct placement. The hinges should align with the pre-drilled holes where you will fasten the hinges with pan-style screws. Line up the L brackets so the backs are facing the groove on the back of the face frame. Use your drill to attach the L brackets. Locate the two side panels and slide them into the grooves until flush with the top and bottom of the face frame, using the rubber mallet to gently tap them into place if needed. Fasten with screws into the L brackets. When the two side panels are installed, slide the bottom and middle shelf panels into place and follow the same steps to fasten the L brackets. The top panel should easily slide into place if all other panels are installed properly into the grooves. Secure the top panel with the L bracket as we did the side panels. Switch to your nail gun and nail around the edges where the side, top, and bottom panels meet. Slide the back panel into place and use the black sheetrock style screws to fasten into place. Carefully flip the cabinet onto its back to install the toe kick with your nail gun. Finally, stand the cabinet up and insert your shelf pins into the holes at your desired height, carefully angling the shelf panel into place. Congratulations for completing your assembly. Stand back and enjoy your beautiful new cabinets.